Title: Harms of pomegranate. Is it harmful for a healthy human body? Assalamu alaikum everyone. My dear viewers, I hope you are all in good health and high spirits. Today, I am excited to share some basic, yet important secrets about pomegranate. While we all know that pomegranate is widely praised for its many health benefits, did you know that it also has some harmful effects on a healthy human body? Yes, my dear viewers, pomegranate, despite being a superfruit, can have certain side effects when consumed excessively or in specific situations. So, let's dive into today's topic and explore together the hidden secrets of how pomegranate might harm our health. 19 harms or side effects of pomegranate. 1. Allergic reactions. Pomegranate may trigger allergies in some individuals, causing itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. 2. Digestive issues. Excessive consumption can lead to stomach cramps, bloating, or diarrhea due to its fiber content. 3. Blood pressure drops. It may dangerously lower blood pressure if consumed excessively, especially in people already on medication for hypertension. 4. Interference with medications. Pomegranate can interact with certain drugs like blood thinners, leading to complications. 5. Risk of high sugar levels. Though natural, pomegranate contains high sugar content, which may not be ideal for diabetics if consumed in large amounts. 6. Kidney concerns. Overconsumption may burden the kidneys, particularly in individuals with existing kidney conditions. 7. Iron overload. Pomegranate juice contains iron, and excessive intake might lead to iron buildup, especially in people with hemochromatosis. 8. Dental issues. The acidity in pomegranate juice can erode tooth enamel over time, increasing the risk of cavities. 9. Weight gain. High calorie intake from excessive pomegranate juice might contribute to weight gain. 10. Risk during pregnancy. Overeating pomegranate seeds may cause uterine contractions, potentially harmful during pregnancy. 11. Constipation. In rare cases, the tannins in pomegranate can contribute to constipation if consumed excessively. 12. Liver concerns. Overconsumption of pomegranate extract could potentially affect liver enzymes. 13. Risk of gallstones. The high oxalate content in pomegranate might contribute to gallstone formation. 14. Heart palpitations. Overeating might result in electrolyte imbalance, causing irregular heartbeats in sensitive individuals. 15. Hormonal imbalance. Some compounds in pomegranate might interfere with estrogen levels, potentially affecting hormonal balance. 16. Skin sensitivity. Topical application of pomegranate extracts can sometimes cause skin irritation or rashes. 17. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Pomegranate seeds can sometimes cause irritation in the intestines for those with sensitive stomachs. 18. Overhydration risks. Pomegranate juice might dilute electrolyte levels when consumed in excess. 19. Vitamin toxicity. Overconsumption of pomegranate supplements can lead to an overdose of certain vitamins and minerals. My dear viewers, as we've learned today, pomegranate is indeed a powerhouse of nutrients, but moderation is the key to enjoying its benefits without facing its harms. Excessive consumption or improper use can turn this healthy fruit into a source of health problems. So, always be mindful of how much you consume and consult with your doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. My dear viewers, thank you so much for watching and giving your precious time to this video. Your support means the world to me. I hope you found today's video valuable and learned something new. If you did, please share it with your family and friends to spread awareness. Your subscriptions are not just numbers. They are a source of motivation for me to create even better content that benefits your health and well-being. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your encouragement helps me move forward with more dedication and passion. May Allah bless you all with good health, happiness, and success in both this world and the hereafter. Ameen. Jazakumullah khair for your time and support. Until the next video, wassalamu alaikum, and take very good care of yourselves.